The Jonas Brothers have a hidden talent, and I am officially coming out as a JB fan. And a message to my Lee Cyrus, you are not the only one with the dance crew. I will dance because I love to dance, not because of your stupid contest. I love you, bitch. I work out whenever I can. I don't even know what that means. What the bark? What the bark? Oh my Jonas, did you see the new special edition of People magazine by Newsdance? It's devoted to all things Jonas. It's a major event in publishing, and I suggest you buy one copy. Or four. Yes, definitely four. One for the bedroom, one for the bathroom, one for the car, and one for your man bag in case of emergency. You never know when your friend will want to play Name That Jonas, and you need to be ready. And when I say one for the bathroom, I don't mean one to do dirty things to. I mean one to help you shave your eyebrows perfectly. Or to help you get around that fear of the round wash. I'm What the Bark, I'm the original, I'm friendly, I am What the Bark. Yes. What the Bark.